Mohan. We're out here at Texas Motor Speedway, standing next to my 1,000 horsepower, 3-rotor, turbocharged, nitrous-injected, ethanol-burning RX-8. We're going to talk a little bit about the performance, the reliability, and how we've been able to keep up with those V8s out here in professional drifting. Our motor is basically a built 3-rotor Mazda motor. It's still a factory block that's been highly modified. It's ported, polished, balanced, lightened. We've narrowed up certain components to allow for even more movement at high RPMs, but one of the keys to the success of this car's reliability and its strengths and performance is that we've been running an E98 ethanol blend, a very high octane, which gives us knock protection, that's also cool burning. This fuel is also a lot cheaper than your average race gas and burns a lot cleaner. With these combined effects, not having as much knock tendency and the coolness in its burn, that's allowed us to push our boost levels higher than previously. We're up around 30 psi a boost with close to a 200 shot of nitrous. Roughly 800 horsepower, 820 horsepower just on the boost, and then when the nitrous kicks in, you can see how we're getting those numbers. It's been a fantastic project, and we're really happy to have it out here. This particular motor has been in the car for 2 years now. Although we did rebuild it in our last off-season to check it and inspect it, we're very proud to be able to run the same block year after year in such a unique sport and a unique car. I think drifting is actually an amazing test bed and one of the toughest motorsports when it comes to engines and engine development. We're consistently on the rev limiter under high loads at high RPM. At Texas, 5th gear, all the way through the course, foot on the floor most of the time. We're also running a precision ball bearing turbo. We've got 3 wastegates, twin oil coolers up front. These fans are controlled by our Haltech ECU, and they actually have staggered timing. So as our oil temperatures come up, we can trigger 1 fan or 2 fans to help them stay cool. We're running a water injection system into the intake manifold to help control our air intake temps. Overall, it's been a very fun weekend, and we're looking forward to our next rounds. Make sure to stay tuned to Kyle Mohan Racing, and thank you American Ethanol, Renewable Lubricants, Exity USA, Mazda Tricks for bringing us out to this fantastic event. Kyle Mohan Racing.